going up in the woods and making a shelter and cooking our supper. Do we get this one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hi, Finley.
hi.
Wave at the camera.
Hi.
Well, I spun out on the rock and went sideways a little bit and kind of spilled all our camping gear. But I don't think nothing's hurt. It just fell out of the box. So we're going to have to pick it all up now.
So Jared's cutting down all these trees so we can make our kitchen area to cook our food.
Me and Finley are collecting some rocks for the fire pit.
Finn, what are you doing?
I collected rocks and leaves.
Rocks and dry leaves?
Yeah,
What do you have in your hand?
leaves.
Leaves. What are you going to do with them?
Put me fire.
Put them in the fire.
Yeah.
And we're going to cook some.
Yeah.
What are we going to cook?
Soup beans. Soup beans.
Soup beans out in the hills.
Mix it.
Yes. Okay. What are you doing, Jer?
We're going to try to start this little fire with this 9-volt battery and the steel wool.
Let me see what happens when you touch it to the steel wool. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Blow it. Whoa, Finley, what do you think? Is that not so cool? Go, fire, go. We need food. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hurry. Everybody put leaves on.
Oh, hold on. Don't put the leaves. Get the littlest sticks.
Oh, okay. Everybody get little sticks and
These
put on.
little dry ones.
These little dry sticks. Everybody get little sticks.
Get the tiny sticks.
Go, fire, go. Be careful, Finny. Okay, let's see Finny get sticks. Break it real small, Finn. Break it really small.
Finley, don't put that big enough.
Little teeny tiny ones, baby.
Baby sticks.
Baby sticks. That's still not a baby stick.
No, that's big. Wendy, don't get in the fire. Oh.
Here's some dry leaves. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Everything's pretty damp.
Hi. So we're under
Finn, come over here.
Thing. Okay.
Finn, right away.
We're doing that. Hey guys, so we found this awesome, like, boulder. I'm gonna show it to you. Show them your awesome boulder. This is yours. It's super big, and you can climb up on it. There's a bunch of rocks.
I want to find a better.
Hey guys, I'm with the cat. Ah! These are the adventures of me trying to get up.
Yeah, seriously. It's hard. God, big feet, so it's easy for me.
I can get up.
Finn, what are you doing?
Papa, it's actually my whole leg stuck.
What's that one movie where that guy had to chop his leg off because it got stuck?
I'm not chopping off my leg.
You better. You will lose it.
Come here. Hey guys, so we're up here. Susie's up here. Okay, so we're up here with Susie, Minor, Kiki, and Finley.
He wants that.
Finley, come here. Okay.
What's up? It's me and the cat.
So bad. I got the money.
He's my best friend right now.
I got the money.
Lane and Finn are down there on other rocks, and we're just hanging out. That's fun. Susie's down there walking around. We're just having a fun time. Goodbye, cat. Like, I swear if you try to swing on that, you're going to die. No.
Oh, my hair's stuck.
Good.
Where? I'm going back up. Oh.
Finn's blowing his whistle at you.
He's the cat.
Finn, stop blowing that whistle. That's very loud.
Okay, Lakin's got her soup beans on in her Dutch oven, and the fire's picked up now, and may have to raise her Dutch oven up a little bit, but they're just now starting to come to a boil. So now we gotta let them cook for a while.
I'll chop them up. Okay, you do that, and then I'll chop them in the slicer. But that's it. Yeah. Oh. What the heck?
They're all so long.
Oh, shower.
Those are so sour.
They're good though.
They are good.
Yeah. Come back. Go get it. It's over.
Here.
You want to plant an apple tree?
We got some seeds. Uh-huh.
The smoke in my eyes.
How do you cut out the foil?
Hi, Jer.
Hello.
Wave, because there's no sound. Is our fire going out?
No, I just died down a little.
Mommy, where do you want me to put the apple core? Can I give it to Susie?
You can just throw it. It'll rot.
Our beans got about 30-40 more minutes to go. So we got these taters wrapped up in foil, and we're just going to put them in the hot embers now and let them be roasting. And I'm just going to throw them in there. And just make sure there's nice hot coals around them. Put me some over here. And then I'll take a stick and kind of poke them around.
Mommy, why can't I use my hands? Why I can use my hands?
Okay, that's fine. Can I see your tree that you've been working on?
Yeah.
All right, take me and show me what you've done. It's over here.
Cut it right here.
Yeah.
Cut it right here. And you chop it.
What's your fingers?
Give it west.
What's your fingers, though?
Okay. After you cook.
Uh-oh.
I almost hit kids. I almost hit kids.
You did.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You think these beans need any more watery or are they good, Lane?
Have you opened them and looked?
Just right now.
Let me see.
Right there,
Oh
okay.
man, they're looking good. I think that's enough soup on them, don't you?
Yeah.
Good. Is the coffee almost ready?
Yeah.
Is the smoke getting in your eyes, girls?
Yeah.
Now, what you guys got going on?
Well,
We're making stew.
the fire went down a little bit. I got it to go back up. I'm dying. I'm blind.
Did you blow it?
Yeah, I was blowing on it.
Oh gosh, yeah, that's probably not the smartest thing to do.
But it worked.
Here's you some dry sticks, Jessica.
Thank you, Jer.
I like playing the fire.
What are you gonna put in your stew, Lena?
Carrots and
Spinach.
spinach and I think these are going in there.
Yeah, we'll.
Little smokies. Ooh,
I love
that'll
these.
be
These are
good. That'll be a good stew, man.
We would just eat apples.
And what else are you gonna make to drink?
Hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa. That is really gonna be good.
Yeah.
I love how you guys got the moss around your fire.
Yep.
That's awesome.
You learn a lot out here in the wild.
Oh man. Finley, where's your tree you chopped? Right here, look. Come look at your tree. Did you do that? Gosh, you're good. Let me see you do it.
Okay.
Okay, let me see. Oh gosh. Yeah. Can you show me how you climb a rock?
Yeah.
Look at the cat.
He's like, oh yeah.
Can't hardly see the cat. It blends in with the leaves. Hey, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Hi, Miner. Hey, Sue. I don't have any more Slim Jim or cheese for you.
Line of bigger.
What are you eating?
Apple.
Apple. The beans are going to be awesome. Smelling good.
We found up there whenever we were walking a
Yeah.
tree and then like Tim cut a piece out of it and it smelled like mint.
Ooh, was it birch?
I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the spinach in it. I don't know.
Have you felt of your carrots?
Yes.
No, they haven't really started bulling yet.
No.
Here, let me make them closer to the...
John, are these good?
Huh? Yes. If they break, no, they're bending. They're too wet.
That is so smart. How did you learn that?
Jared.
Let me see some of your tricks on this rock over here, Lena. I saw you doing some cool stuff. You don't fall. That's an awesome rock. Look at it. It's split like right in the middle. Wow. Whoa. All right, let's see what you can do, girl.
I can comment.
Oh, is that it? I thought you were on like both sides or something.
Yeah. I was in between them. Like this.
Oh, and there's Susie.
Oh, my boots flung off. That was not a very good trick. That was not a very good trick.
Woo! That was good.
That was the worst part of the video.
That was the best part of the day.
Worst part. Stuck. Stuck.
Oh, you're so goofy.
Stabbed myself.
Oh my gosh. So have you guys been thinking about the shelter? Kitty, kitty. Have you thought about how we're going to do it? How do you think we should do it?
We can worry about the food.
Oh, is that rock over there? Yeah. I'm trying to eat. Probably. Since that rock over there has like that place over there, like we said when we first got over here.
Come show me.
Where I was climbing.
Not that side though.
No. But like that place right there, we could get big sticks and just like make a roof over it or something.
Yeah, because you already have like the sides of the shelter there. That'd be cool. And then there's the perfect tree like right in between it too. So we could do like a rope or something and make it, and then put like branches on top of it. I think it'll be really cool. But first, food. We're just using cornbread mix.
Yeah, that was a gift at a thing I went to.
That it's Kentucky proud.
And you just add water
And
to
you
this,
just
so
add
we
water.
didn't have to bring buttermilk and stuff with us.
Perfect for camping, ain't it? Is it yummy? Okay, hold the bowl really
Finley's
tight.
got his safety goggles on where he's been chopping wood.
I don't know how much it gives the amount, but we're just gonna wing it. Okay, you stir it up. Stir it easy.
Smoke's getting you now, isn't it, Lee?
No, that's not ready yet. Tell me when it's done, blow it my way.
The wind's blowing your way now. It's kicking our fire up good, though.
It's good. It's good, Dave.
Oh gosh.
Move from the smoke.
We gotta move, Ben.
Get over here in your chair. You okay, Finn?
He's okay. Sit in your chair for a
Show
minute.
show us your safety goggles, Finn. Let me see you.
Okay, stir your cornbread. Wait. He can't.
He can't quit licking it.
He loves cornbread batter. Oh, this kind has eggs in it. You can't lick it. Don't. I forgot about that. Sorry, I forgot. Don't eat it. Here, get you a big drink of water.
Those safety goggles are big as your face, Finn.
Sit down. Sit down. All right.
Is it done?
That looks good, don't it?
Why, yeah. Alrighty.
Okay.
We got our other Dutch oven over there, hot. And we're going to put it in there, and I'm going to put some coals on top of it. This is our first time trying this in the Dutch oven.
Oh, yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. It'll be a thin little pone.
Wasn't quite very much.
Yeah, it wasn't as much as what we thought, was it? It'll be fried. That'll be good too.
We don't care.
We like fried cornbread.
Fried flitter. Okay.
So we put some spinach in the carrots, and we're about to put in these.
Little smokies.
Little smokies.
Where do you want me to put all the trash, Mother?
Back in the tote so we can take it
Okay.
back home with us.
Do you want me to
Never
mix it?
leave trash in the woods.
All the
Yeah, if you want to mix it, you can mix it. It shouldn't be too hot.
Can I put it?
I don't know if that'll go down. Sis, just
I'm scared. I'm scared.
that's gonna be delicious stew, girls.
Yes, you will in just a minute.
Oh wow.
How's the fire doing, Lena? I can't see.
Good. A little bit good.
We'll go get some more wood if it's not.
How did you see that?
Lena threw a leaf in here earlier. I had to fish it out.
Didn't we throw a stick in it?
It's gonna have a very earthy taste.
Is that too big? Is that too big?
Break it down just a little bit. How's our food doing, Jared? Oh, it just started all of a sudden. Look at that. What Whatever you did, Lana, you got the touch. Mmm.
I can't wait to eat it. I keep
I
saying
never ate anything like it, but I'm sure it'll be great.
I'm just hungry.
I am too. I just want the wieners out of it.
I'm excited to eat all of it.
Vegetables were great.
What are you doing, Finn?
Do not put any more leaves in the fire. Don't.
Finley, what are you doing?
He's gonna chop his thumb off.
No. It's just a butter knife.
He's gonna hit it and hurt himself.
I'm on fire.
What? Cornbread's done.
Ooh.
Let's see how it turned out. Our little tiny... Oh, look at that.
It's adorable.
That's awesome. That's going to taste so good, guys.
It's stuck a little bit, but
Well.
this ain't been used in forever.
Oh, careful, Finn. By the
just
fire.
like-
Whoa.
I'd say our potatoes are close to being done, too.
Yeah.
We'll be eating soon, boys.
Time to eat. The beans are done, the bread's done, the taters are done, and the coffee's done. And they smell amazing. Don't they, Caitlin?
Everything smells
The smoke's getting you, Lena?
Smoke follows beauty. That's what I've always heard. Elena's. Here's your beans.
Is it my turn?
Your potato feels so soft and good. How is it, Keelan?
Awesome.
Is it awesome?
These like taste better than when you normally cook baked beans. Like honestly.
Soup
Baked
beans?
I meant soup beans. They're all beans.
They're always
What's the
better in
difference?
cast iron.
Seriously, it's
Okay.
so good.
Do you all want butter and stuff on your potato?
Yeah.
Come over here. Finn wants some beans. Come on, baby. Hold Mommy's hand. Stand right here. Let me get you some beans. You love soup beans, don't you, bud? Gosh, don't they look yummy?
Finley
Wanna
looks
try a big
sleepy.
bite? You want to try them? You want to sit in your chair, don't you? Oh, the cat turned your chair over. Oh my goodness. Okay.
You want to try a bite of the beans, Finn?
Let's. How is it, Finn? Oh my goodness. Is it delicious? Was you super hungry? We worked really hard for this food, haven't we? How is it, Lena Bug? Is it hot? Is it good?
Mhm.
How is it, Kiki? So good. Jerry, we got to get you a plate, don't we?
Mhm.
You ready for yours?
I'm ready for it.
All right. Oh my gosh,
Oh, yeah.
look at that.
Nice big fire roasted potato.
That is perfect. Watch this. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
That looks so good. Let's put you a little salt on it. Little salt
And pepper.
Sit still, Finley, you're going to flip.
and pepper.
That's some salt.
I'm going to put some salt in yours too, Finn. And a little butter.
Oh, yeah.
Gosh.
You're ready to go, Lena.
That's a meal fit for a king.
Or
queen. For a queen. Okay, let me
Here's
fix
Finley's
Let
potato.
me fix Finny's tater. Get your big bite of beans, bud. Are they great? Huh?
How is it?
Where can you sit it?
Yeah.
Kiki, can you hold his beans? He wants this potato.
Potato.
Potato. Hot potato.
Potato. Potato.
Wow, Finn. Look at that potato.
What?
Is it?
Butter.
Butter.
Butter. Butter.
Where'd your fork go?
Butter.
Where'd your fork go?
Yeah, the spoon.
salt.
Okay.
Some salt.
Okay. Let's get you a bite of it. See if it's
Some
yummy.
salt. Some salt.
I'm gonna get you some salt. Is it good? Oh gosh. Yes. It's so good, ain't it?
So the thing we're drinking with our dinner is hot chocolate. It's really good.
Hot chocolate and coffee.
I'm just drinking hers in a bowl. Let's see how good it looks.
That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Might put some of that in my coffee.
That'd be good. How is it?
Mine needs to cool.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Don't sit it by the fire, it won't cool.
What's been your favorite part of this adventure, Finn?
My life. I walked.
The rock?
Yeah, yours was. I'm playing those walks.
That was so fun, wasn't it?
I want to those walks.
We will in just a minute.
No.
You have to eat first.
Me.
Finley.
Alrighty, tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
We appreciate y'all watching.
Say thanks for
Y'all need to go
watching.
out and make you a fire and cook you some food and enjoy nature one day. Hope y'all have a blessed day.